This is my favorite one.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Ellie Knows Rocks. I am here today at the 53rd Lake Havasu Gem and Mineral Club Mineral Show. So I am going to be walking around, I'm going to be looking at what the vendors have, I'm going to be checking out the display little booths for the vendors and the members of the club, kind of showing off their stuff. I get to vote on which one that I like the best. If you guys haven't been to this show, I highly recommend it. It's really cram-packed into a small area, but it's small and mighty. They do an awesome job of setting this up and the vendors here are amazing. Let's go check this out and see what we find.
That's right, everybody. It's that time of year again where the Lake Havasu Gem and Mineral Society have their annual Gem and Mineral Show, and the place is packed. And for this small show, there is no shortage of things to see. We start off with a display booth of an homage to Arizona. A lot of the work in here was done by Jason, the Lake Havasu Gem and Mineral Society Club president, and you can quickly see the love for Arizona turquoise. Next are the display booths by both club members and vendors. This United States map is one of my favorites. Rose cuts all of the states by hand. The lady that put this booth together was adjacent to Mount St. Helens when it erupted, and she's lucky to be alive. All I can say about dinosaur bones is make sure you're getting them from someone who didn't steal them and they're legally allowed to have them. As you can see, some of the booths are extremely educational, and some of them are amazing artwork.
There's Ellie. You see online all the time on Facebook.
I do love it when people recognize me. If you ever see me out in public, please come say hi. You see how this says field trips on it? Well, I have volunteered to give several field trips this year for the local club. So if you're a member, I hope to see you out there.
That is very cute.
In case anyone was wondering or didn't know, the entire show is supervised and put on by volunteers from the local club. And without their help, this show would not be possible.
You can see the place is packed, and there's everything that you can imagine here, from people that make beads and jewelry to cabs, which is pretty cool. And they're from all over the world. Oh, look at those. Oh, y'all know that these are my favorites. And we have wholesalers for like jewelry and stuff like that. Beads from everywhere. Okay, we remember this guy last year. He cracked open the most amazing geodes. Look how cool those are. Little bitty ones. Big ones. That's so cool. And so he sells these for different amounts, and then he cracks them open. Oh, that one's free too. That's cool. And they also have an entire full kitchen where they have food and all kinds of stuff. That's one of the members. This is they're so all pretty. Hi guys! These guys are awesome. They go find all their own stuff and then they turn it into amazing jewelry. And they have a cat that goes with them. Is that not cute? And she just stays there. I love the fact that they have a kitty that they take on the road and she stays there. I'm enamored with that. I think it's awesome. But they do beautiful, beautiful work. These guys are cool. We've got Grandpa Don's rock house, and he has rocks and minerals dating that he's collected all the way back from the 50s of different collections that he's either bought or acquired from different people. And then he sells them all here at the gem show. I bought a piece of fluorite from him last year that I absolutely love.
There was a back room this year, which allowed vendors to be back in a little cubby hole, and it was definitely full of hidden gems.
All of this. A butterfly bush piece of wood with turquoise. Look at these tables. Oh, we love that one. Hello. Look at those. Those are handmade right here.
Oh, yeah.
Love that. Wine time. Oh, yes. This is amazing. And he makes all of this stuff and he uses all of the rocks as like Kingman turquoise and different rocks. Look how neat these are. You guys know what a fan I am of beaded earrings. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. And then we've got copper things. And all the wire wraps, they're absolutely stunning. And then raw crystals that have been wire wrapped. Those are fantastic.
Oh, okay.
Beautiful pieces of petrified wood. Them casts.
There's a fluorescent booth over there too.
Do they?
Right there.
Look at all those fluorescent minerals. Yes.
Yeah, because if there's interest
Yeah,
now
it's
that we know.
beautiful. She's a geologist.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, she does YouTube.
That is so cool. Everything is starting to wind down. It is the end of the day. But I think that people have really enjoyed like what they've seen because some of the stuff was phenomenal. Let's get a chance to next year after you see this video, you should definitely come check out the Lake Havasu Mineral Show because it is small but very mighty. The vendors here work really hard to make sure that all of their stuff is just pristine and it's beautiful. So please support them. Also, the club membership is open to anybody who is in Arizona or, you know, who even snowbirds in Arizona and that kind of thing. So definitely check out the clubs. I bought one mineral. I'll put it up here. A pretty little amethyst. Beautiful twin on it, and I'm gonna try to make a necklace out of it. But this was my find from the Gem and Mineral Show.